Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to step out of the car, please.
Ask me to step out of the car?
Yeah.
Okay, for what?
To continue the conversation.
Okay.
What's up?
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Please stop.
Why?
I don't want to be recorded.
Well, you should be really careful. They have like 50 cameras on the inside and the outside.
It's not a person standing on the street recording me.
Yeah, but it's still a camera. I thought you didn't want to be recorded.
Have a good day.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's it. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a sidewalk. That's it.
I know who you are.
I know. It doesn't. If you think you know who I am, then that's fine.
I'm simply asking for. I don't understand why you're getting so hostile with me.
Because the way I'm being treated. I mean,
how are you being treated?
How do I look like I have narcotics?
I didn't say you look like you had narcotics. I said you were displaying indicators.
Hey, buddy. No, out here. Please don't touch me.
I'm the police.
I don't care who you are. You don't touch people.
You don't come into the office.
Okay. Yes, I do. And I sit down just like this.
What is it?
You don't put hands on people, sir.
All right, guys, this confrontation explodes almost instantly. What starts as a simple interaction on a public sidewalk quickly turns into a heated debate over constitutional rights. The cameraman stands peacefully outside a cannabis dispensary, exercising his First Amendment rights, when angry customers and employees begin demanding he stop recording. But here's the reality nobody wants to admit. In public, there is no expectation of privacy. Tension rises fast as accusations start flying, emotions boil over, and authority figures attempt intimidation. Yet the auditor remains calm, standing his ground while reminding everyone that constitutional freedoms don't disappear simply because someone feels uncomfortable.
What are we filming?
What's up?
What are we filming?
What are we filming?
Yeah, what are you filming?
Oh, what am I filming?
I just was on your camera, so I didn't know what you got going on because you got an angle at me.
Oh yeah, I'm just out here filming.
Yeah. May I ask what?
Just a video.
Okay. Hi, sir. Is there something that we can assist with?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so I do
Thank you,
have
though.
to ask that you do move down, and not stand right in front of the dispensary.
Why? What do you mean?
You're not allowed to film people walking in and out. I apologize.
Hold on. So,
for privacy's sake.
hold on, do you support the Constitution?
Excuse me?
Do you support the Constitution?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Okay, so what I'm doing is
This is private property.
Yeah. Well, I'm not. I have no intention of going on your private property at all. I'm just standing out on the public sidewalk. That's it.
Okay. Certainly. I do have to ask that you can move down either way.
So, do you understand what the First Amendment is? No? As soon as any logic comes out, scurries away. That's crazy. We have this guy who's clearly the one that went and caused the issue. How's it going, guys?
Oh, it's going.
All right. I'm sure it'll be better when you walk out. Hey, can I ask you a question? This doesn't make you uncomfortable, does it?
What, you're filming?
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. You just did. She just came out into the eye of the public, so being in public gives consent. How's it going?
All right. Since I moved to Massachusetts, f***ing awesome.
There you go. Yeah.
What for?
I can't really hear you. And stocking up, huh?
I don't know why you're doing that. You don't have my consent to use my image anywhere.
I don't need it. Alrighty. Interesting conversation. Hey, thank you for being chill, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Might have him just riding on through. Looks like it. Chicopee Police. Oh boy, looks like we do have him pulling up.
Curious as to why you're filming here.
What's up?
I said I am curious as to why you're filming here.
What do you mean? Like why?
Why are you filming people coming in and out of here? Can you answer that question?
So what does the why really matter?
I'm asking you the question.
Yeah, but why does it matter though?
Well, I'm asking the question because I'd like to know why you feel it's appropriate to film people without their consent.
Why would you feel that it's inappropriate? And what do you mean consent? You're in public, my friend.
I'll talk to him. Okay.
Have a good day, all right?
Hello.
How's it going?
Officer Kenzel, ID number 360, Chicopee Department. Okay, what are you doing? You just First Amendment type thing?
There you go.
That's it?
There you go.
All right, you're on the sidewalk, so you know the laws about that?
All right.
You're good to go.
Sweet.
Okay,
I appreciate you, man.
Yep.
And you want to just give me the CAD number when you get back out?
Yep, I can do that.
Sweet. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Thank you very much for joining in. Thank you very much, my man. Hey, I knew you were okay with it. I knew you were okay with cameras in public. I was saying I knew you were okay with it. I knew you were just joking.
Joking about what?
Joking about being upset about filming.
Well, I'm not upset. I just had a fair question for you. I just wanted an answer, but I understand you don't have to answer questions.
Huh. You seemed very upset when you first got here, so I'm glad you turned around now. That's good. Thank you.
Seems like you're trying to intimidate.
Intimidate people?
It seems like.
Am I really that intimidating? Really?
No, but.
Oh, okay.
Would you like somebody coming out of your house or filming you at
This isn't your house, bro, nor your work. Relax. Relax, it's okay. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yo, give him the people's bicep. Give him the people's bicep for me. Thank you guys very much. And you should be more like these guys. They're very pleasant, they're very cool, and very cordial. Just try to act easier and better next time, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go ahead.
This is the CAD number that you requested.
Sweet.
You have a first name I can...
Yeah, John.
John.
Yep, very nice to meet you. What was your first name again?
Officer Kenzel.
Kenzel.
Yep.
Sweet. All right, thank you very much, man.
You're welcome.
Take it easy.
Just as long as you stay on the sidewalk.
What, are they trespassing me?
Nope. I'm just saying they don't want you on the property. They're not formally trespassing you. They're just asking me to...
So am I trespass or am I not trespass?
They're just asking the time you don't go on their property. That's
So
all.
am I being trespassed?
No.
So I can still go on the property then?
Unless you go on the property, they call us back, then you're trespassed from the property. Right now, you're on the city-owned sidewalk.
Okay.
They have no say on this.
All right, cool. I just wanted to know. I just didn't know if I'd been being trespassed.
I just say if you walk on the property, they can as a private business.
Well, I know that. I know that.
Just not kid issue. That's all.
All right.
Now, the situation gets even more aggressive. Employees from the dispensary repeatedly pressure the auditor to leave, falsely claiming he cannot film people entering the business. But the moment constitutional logic enters the conversation, everything starts falling apart. One employee openly admits he doesn't even understand the First Amendment, exposing how many people demand rights restrictions without understanding the law itself. Then police finally arrive, and surprisingly, Officer Kinzel immediately recognizes the auditor is standing legally on public property. Unlike the emotional crowd, the officer keeps things professional, confirms no laws are being broken, and shuts down the complaints almost instantly. That single moment completely changes the atmosphere on the sidewalk.
I thought it would be reasonable for you to answer why you were filming here. Did you have a beef with these guys?
No.
You have a beef with people who shop here?
No. Why would I?
Well, that's what we're trying to, I mean, if, put yourself in the public's place. If going to somewhere.
Going into a store and somebody got me on camera. You know they have like 15 cameras on the outside, and you had to scan your ID, and they have cameras on the inside and everything.
But
So
if you saw people someone filming you,
yeah,
other people coming,
it doesn't matter. You're on camera all day, every day. There are cameras everywhere, my friend. Hey, relax, calm down, buddy, calm down. Don't be so disrespectful.
Hey, bro,
wouldn't you be curious?
You got guys all packing up behind you trying to leave. Hey, you got it. Come on.
You're on camera everywhere, my friend.
What's that?
I said you're on camera everywhere. It's the First Amendment Protection Agency. I literally just ran out of cards. I'd give you one. But First Amendment Protection Agency. Yeah, I'm pretty big. I got over 100,000 on YouTube, Instagram, all of them. You'll find it.
Okay.
Take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Thank you for being cool. At least he kind of made an effort to park into a spot, but still didn't quite hit the mark. But I guess his attitude elsewhere really saves him for that.
No. Get me off. Stop recording me.
What's up?
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Please stop.
Why?
I don't want to be recorded.
Well, you should be really careful. They have like 50 cameras on the inside and the outside.
It's not a person standing on the street recording.
Yeah, but it's still a camera. I thought you didn't want to be recorded. I hate people that tell people what to do.
Stop talking to me.
No. No, thank you. Have a good day, though. All right? Thank you.
Some free speech for you. Go f yourself.
There you go. I'm all about free speech, man.
Get a job.
All right. You have a good day, all right? Get some hair. Caused an accident right there. All right. What's up, buddy?
Try and get a girlfriend or a boyfriend.
Okay.
Maybe that'll help you.
I have 2 of each. Have a good one, buddy. Hey, you take it easy now. You have a good day, all right?
What are you doing with this video?
I don't know.
Then why are you recording me?
What do you mean?
Why are you recording me on Theory's
don't
property?
step up to me, all right?
Then why are you recording me?
I appreciate that.
Why are you recording me? Why are you recording me? What are you gonna do with this video?
I'm not sure. Not sure until it's done. Not sure until it's done. Not sure until it's done. There you go. Brilliant. Couldn't even muster up the courage to spit a real spit. Go ahead. Come over here and do it. Thank you.
Better job.
This is it. All right. Says the one who spits on people. Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, I appreciate you joining in. Thank you for your activism. Thank you for your activism. Thank you for your support. We appreciate it. We need more people like you. Thank you. You have a good day.
All right, guys, this is where emotions completely spiral out of control. Several individuals begin accusing the auditor of intimidation simply for holding a camera in public. One man aggressively questions him about consent, ignoring the fact that surveillance cameras already record everyone daily without permission. Then things become even more chaotic when angry bystanders start insulting, yelling, and provoking the cameraman nonstop. Despite all the hostility, the auditor refuses to lose composure. Instead of escalating physically, he responds with sarcasm, humor, and constitutional facts. This entire scene perfectly exposes how quickly ordinary citizens become hostile when someone peacefully exercises rights they themselves don't fully understand.
Oh, you work here?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, I'm out here because they sent me out here to record the bank. Because I really don't know why. So I work for some people, so they sent me out here to record the bank. They're doing an investigation on this bank. So, huh?
And did I have your business card?
I don't really carry that on me because I really don't need it. So I'm just in the public sidewalk recording the bank. That's all I'm doing. Is it against the law? Come here. I want to know because I don't want to break the law. I want to know what law I'm breaking. We're just about to... What's going on, man?
Joel Lopez.
Really? Who's that? Who's Joel Lopez? How do you know that?
Because I've arrested you before.
Really? Wait.
How you doing, buddy?
I know who you are, Prieto.
Of course you know who I am.
Okay, so are you going to honor your oath today? Okay.
These people here, they don't want you in the store. They don't want you in the business.
I was never there, so...
Oh, they say you were, so I don't...
Oh, for real? They said I was there?
They said you went inside. I wasn't
Well,
here.
they are lying because I have it on film and plus their cameras. I was here the whole time. I wasn't moving, so I never stepped foot in their property.
You were going through the windows and they have of people, personal property there.
No. I was recording from the sidewalk, straight through the window, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all I was doing. I know where not to go and to go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, that's what they said that you were...
Well, were there...
The way they made it sound was
Yeah.
that you were recording with the windows.
I was.
Into the computers where people have personal property.
How can I... Well, they you see how they close the blinds?
Yeah.
They got to create privacy. That's how the law works.
Okay.
If I can see it from public, I can record it. You can't trespass my eyes.
No, of course not.
Yeah, that's all I was doing.
So the only reason why I'm talking to you is...
So they made a false police report. They said I was inside. That's a crime.
They're not making a police report.
They said, well, they called you guys stating...
You were not inside.
Oh, absolutely not. No, absolutely not. No, I was right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was right here.
So you know, they don't want...
I know.
They don't want inside the
I don't need the
business.
directives. I already know. I'm a grown man,
Well,
bro.
I have to tell you.
No, you don't have to tell me.
I have to.
Why do you have to?
Because I want to tell you.
Okay, that's
If
fine.
you come here, I'm gonna
I don't want to. I want to disengage us in conversation, bro.
Perfect.
That's it. I don't like the way it's going. So have a good day, man. Have a good day.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's it. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a sidewalk. That's it.
I know who you are.
I know. It doesn't. If you think you know who I am, then that's fine. So I'm not breaking the law, right?
Not from here. No,
Okay, cool. So that's what I'm doing. You don't have to give me information. No, you don't.
Well, I want to.
Okay, then, will you go ahead? I'm not gonna, it's gonna go in one ear and out the other.
That's fine. If you come in here.
No, I don't have to go there. I don't need to go there. I'm exercising my rights. I'm working on a story. That's it. Have a good day, man.
You too, okay?
Have a good day. Kick rocks, bro. You're dismissed, bro. How's that? This guy arrested me before. This is the clown that arrested me a couple years back for obstruction. And he's doxing me. It's okay. I don't care. Everybody knows my name. Thanks for honoring your oath for the first time. You're dismissed. You're dismissed. Walk of shame. What is that? Is that a law?
I'm telling you to do so, okay? Because I'm.
Bro, we just got here, bro. We just want to film from a fair distance. What's your badge number and your name?
I'm not gonna give you that.
Why not?
Because I'm not. First of all,
It's your policy. It's your policy.
First of all, I didn't even stop you. You came to me, right?
You filmed the interaction.
Okay, that's fine.
What are you
I'm
doing?
Is that illegal?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna film. What's your badge number
All right,
and your
listen
name?
to me, man. I'm asking you
You're-
to be in the front.
Are you
if
asking?
Listen to me first. I'm asking you to be in the front if you want to record, because I'm gonna be in my car. I cannot have you in the back of my car.
Why not?
When I'm sitting there doing my paperwork.
You feel intimidating for a camera?
No, not a camera.
So why can't
I
it be?
don't know you.
This.
Do I know you?
No, I know you don't know me, but I don't know you either, and I just want to film the interaction.
Listen to me. You can film it. Go in the front so I can see you from my front window. That's what I'm asking you.
You don't have to see me though.
I'm telling you to do so.
Are you asking?
Listen to me.
Don't
listen to me.
yell.
You do it,
Don't
or
yell.
I'm gonna make you to do it. Okay?
How are you gonna make me?
Do you do it? You do it, or I'm gonna make you.
How are you gonna make me?
Because I'm gonna make you. You are obstructing
How?
my traffic stop right now. You are
I just
obstructing
got
my traffic
here.
Stop right now.
I
Okay?
just got
You're
here. What's your
obstructing my traffic.
Don't
You are
yell.
obstructing my traffic
Don't
stop. I'm telling you
yell.
to be in the front.
Don't yell.
Go to the front
Relax.
right now.
Relax.
I'm not gonna relax,
Relax.
because I already gave you
So-
plenty of opportunities.
For-
Go to the front.
Is this a lawful order? Is this a lawful order? Relax. Go in the front. Yo, you can't be doing that.
Watch how I'm gonna do it.
Bro, you look like your girl is cheating on you, dude. You all right? Oh, look, girl with the camera. Look who it is. Look who it is. Pedro, I got the body cam from you. Complaints has just been filed from the other night, from a year ago. You remember that? You want me to stand behind you this time? Are you gonna arrest me? Look, I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm behind you though. You you threatening me? I'm behind you tonight. You guys caught for a man with a camera. What's your name and badge number, bro? For real. You like to ignore people with cameras? Why did they call you guys? Because of me? That call was bullshit, dude.
You good?
Make sure you buckle up, bro. Officer safety. All of you buckle up. Prieto. Buckle up, bro. I don't want nothing bad to happen to you. I'm standing behind your vehicle again, look. Look, I'm standing behind you, dude. No, it ain't funny, I'm serious. Come here, come on. Come over here, I'm behind you.
Freedom doesn't exist by accident. It survives because there are people willing to stand on a sidewalk, face authority, and say, I know my rights, and I will not back down. When a seatbelt becomes the reason, we witness not just a routine traffic stop, but a subtle battle between the Constitution and authority.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to step out of the car, please.
Ask me to step out of the car?
Yeah.
Okay, for what?
To continue the conversation.
Okay.
Now the documentary shifts into another explosive First Amendment confrontation, this time outside a bank in Florida. Joel Lopez stands on a public sidewalk recording the building when staff immediately call police, falsely claiming he entered the property. Officers arrive already suspicious, but Joel calmly destroys the narrative with facts, reminding them that anything visible from public space can legally be recorded. The tension becomes intense as officers attempt verbal intimidation, demanding compliance while avoiding direct answers about the law. Joel refuses to back down, repeatedly asserting his rights while exposing contradictions in the officer's claims. This encounter becomes a direct battlefield between public accountability and government authority.
My name is Officer Fletcher with the Highway Patrol. What was your badge number?
So it's 18318.
Okay.
So I hear that you're refusing to provide identification. Officer Banks made a legal stop, and you're required to provide it.
Okay. Can you provide that statute for me, please?
No. So, are you going to provide ID?
That wasn't a legal request under the state law. That was not a mandatory thing.
Are you bleeding, ma'am?
No, I just got done working.
Yeah, with stain.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to step out of the car, please.
Ask me to step out of the car?
Yeah.
Okay, for what?
To continue the conversation.
Okay. All right.
Do I need to?
You can stay. So do you have ID on you or no?
I do.
Okay.
I do. And my only reason for not IDing was because, what was it, Thompson versus Reno states that is not necessarily a requirement.
Yeah.
That a seatbelt is not necessarily a requirement. I'm not harming anybody, so by law, I haven't broken any law. I'm not harming myself. I wasn't driving illegally or, you know, aggressively in a manner, and I'm sure you can definitely concur with that.
Yeah.
I made a legal turn. I turned on my blinker. I was going the speed limit.
Okay,
So the only issue that he has right now is that I wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
That's correct. Yeah, so he told me the same thing.
Okay.
As far as the reason for the stop.
Right.
And
I'm perfectly understanding that. I'm perfectly clear about that. I'm not arguing that.
Okay, great. Well, great. I'm glad we're on the same page about that.
Okay.
So I know that you have an understanding of what you said is Thompson versus Reno. I'm going to be honest, I'm not that familiar with it. I just know what our procedure and what our policies are. And when an officer makes a traffic stop,
a legal traffic stop. Yes.
You're required to provide identification.
Okay. Banks, one more time, let me get you to recite that seatbelt code, because I know we went over this the last time I saw you. 27315. 27315B. And then it was E for passenger, right? Okay. And I also recited the same thing to you that day, that I wasn't going to give ID. I guarantee that was the reason why you stopped me today, was because you saw me actually operating a motor vehicle.
The reason I said is
was the seatbelt.
Yes.
And I refused to give you ID the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so...
I'm just asking, are you his supervisor?
Yeah, for today, yes.
For today?
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you fine with providing your name and...
Well, my only reason why I don't want to provide that information is because I know it goes through David, all your other data bank, all that stuff, and I really don't want that. I don't need the interaction with the police officers.
So that wasn't my question. Are you okay with providing your name and date of birth?
If I have a legal liability, or a legal mandatory need for that,
we're
then
telling
yes.
you it exists. We're telling you it exists.
Okay, can you state what law?
It's part of a traffic stop. If you get pulled over, you're required to provide identification.
Okay.
I don't have the whole vehicle code memorized.
Then do you also know what the detainment time is?
As long as it is necessary to, yeah.
It's a reasonable time, yeah, within 20 minutes or less.
So you're prolonging this detention.
And the only reason why I'm prolonging it is because it's not required. It's not required.
I get that you think that you are correct.
No.
We can, so here's
Look up Thompson versus Reno, please, somebody. If you're the highest that I can
I'm
get.
not looking anything up right now. I'm going to propose a solution, though, if you'd like. If you want to dispute the legality of the traffic stop, you can go before a magistrate.
I've already talked to your commissioner here. I've already talked to Tracy. I've already talked to the Bar Association also. I'm an attorney of fact. I know enough about the law that I know that this particular stop...
Do you know who he is?
I do not.
Okay. Does anybody here know who he is? Does Toby?
I recognize him. I don't know his name.
Okay. So I'm going to need you
I
to turn
didn't
around.
even see you over there.
I'm going to need you to turn around.
Okay, under why?
Because I said so. Okay.
You're not arresting me. I don't give consent.
So are you letting
for
me
that.
know that you're going to physically fight?
No, I'm telling you I'm not legally consenting an illegal search or an illegal seizure.
Okay. So this is what I'm telling you. This has been a one-sided conversation where I've tried to explain and tried to come to some sort of middle ground with you, and you're refusing
Oh, I'm not refusing.
We've asked for your identification. Officer Banks is legally, you know, he's within all boundaries of requesting your identification, and you're refusing. So I would like you to please turn around.
I'm not being placed under arrest.
So you're letting me know.
So
in advance
if it takes you running my name through David and an illegal arrest, then I guess that's what it's going to take.
I don't think anybody. You didn't have any intention of running his name, did you?
Why would you need my ID then?
So I can identify you.
And then to issue you a citation for not wearing your seatbelt.
Citation for a seatbelt that's not required, which we've already gone over.
So if that is the dispute and you don't want to sign, you don't have to sign the citation. You don't have to. That's fine. So
will it be going before Tracy or will it be going before David?
I don't know if Tracy, Mitchie, or I don't know who traffic court is.
Because I don't deal with Witchery anymore, and the Bar Association already knows that.
Honestly, I have no idea who the traffic court person is today. I have no idea. So if you would like, if he can identify you, and then if you have an issue signing the citation, he can take you before the magistrate, and the magistrate can hear you out.
Today?
Today, yes. It is 3:41. We're still within business hours.
Do you have time?
But I feel like that's a very reasonable middle ground, and you can be heard by someone of a higher expertise that knows the statutes that you're referring to.
Well, because you're not going to look them up, and I'm trying to educate
We're
you on what that.
No, I'm not going to look them up. I appreciate your attempt to be educating me, but I'm not.
You realize, like, I've told him too, I'm an auditor. You guys are going to be put all over YouTube for this anyway.
That's
so, I mean,
okay.
it doesn't matter either way.
Okay.
You know what, Banks? The only reason why you want to ID me was because I already have a video explaining to you that I didn't have to ID. And the only reason why you want to ID me is because of personal vendetta. But go for it. Do your thing.
Do you happen to have insurance?
I'm working on it. Give me a second.
Okay, no rush. I'll just hang out here.
You have my driver's license. Where am I gonna go, ma'am? I literally just bought this truck like less than a week ago.
I'm not making any accusations, sir. And I very much appreciate you providing your identification.
I know I have insurance. I'm not exactly sure where I have my insurance card at, ready.
Okay.
But you are welcome to run this.
Okay.
And you have my permission to run that and my name, and it's about all I need to provide right at the moment.
Yeah, that is correct.
Legally.
So sometimes registration mixed up. Is your first name Christopher?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Can we make this quick, please? I got places to go.
Yep. I can see that he's moving as quickly as he can.
Perfect. Thank you. Can you ask Toby to come here for just a moment, please?
Yeah, I can absolutely do that. Officer Butzler?
Actually, you know what? I'll go ahead and step out.
Okay, that's fine with me too. Sometimes.
Sir?
How you been, man?
Time no see.
Fuck this same shit, different day. Work.
Still doing handyman stuff?
Oh, still busy as
I believe it.
I guess.
Yeah.
Got me all over this. Everything from Sacramento to Visalia.
Wow. Good Lord.
Getting ready to get that contractor's license. I'll have 30 employees by next year.
You have it or you're getting it?
I'm working on it.
Nice. Good for you.
So everything's in the works. Hopefully everything will be done by the end of the year.
Good for you.
How's the family?
Good.
That's good.
Good.
That's good to hear. I was hoping to get to see your sergeant today.
No. You just get us today.
She's not working, huh?
Just us, yeah. They give the sergeants days off every once in a while.
I hear that. I don't get days off. I work 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I believe it. I believe it.
How's that captain liking that paint job in there? All that
he doesn't
drywall.
complain.
That's good.
For commander, that's pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
How's business been, man? You staying busy?
Kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Summers are